Divine Creator, Father, Mother, Child, all into one. If I, my family, my relatives and ancestors have offended your family, your relatives and your ancestors in thought, facts or actions, from the beginning of our creation to the present, we ask for your forgiveness. Let it cleanse, purify, release and eliminate all negative memories, blocks, energies and bad vibrations. Transform these unwanted energies into pure light. And so be it. To free my subconscious of all the emotional charge stored in it, I say the keywords of oponopono over and over again throughout my day. Sorry, forgive me, thank you, I love you. I declare myself in peace with all people on earth and with whom I have outstanding debts. In this instant and in the past time, for everything I don't like about my present life. Sorry, forgive me, thank you, I love you. I free all those from whom I believe I receive harm and abuse, because they simply give me back what I did to them before, in a past life. Sorry, forgive me, thank you, I love you. Although it is difficult for me to forgive someone, it is me begging for forgiveness from that person now, for this moment, in every moment, for everything that I don't like in my present life. Sorry, forgive me, thank you, I love you. In this sacred space, where I live every day and where I don't feel comfortable. Sorry, forgive me, thank you, I love you. For difficult relationships of which I have only bad memories. Sorry, forgive me, thank you, I love you. For everything I do not like in my present life, in my past life, in my work and in my surroundings, divinity, cleanse in me what contributes to my scarcity. Sorry, forgive me, thank you, I love you. If my physical body experiences anxiety, worry, guilt, fear, sadness, pain, I say it and think, my memories, I love you. I am grateful for the opportunity to free you and me. Sorry, forgive me, thank you, I love you. At this moment, I say that I love you. I think about my emotional health and that of all my loved ones. I love you. For my needs and to learn to wait without anxiety, without fear, I recognize my memories here in this moment. Sorry, I love you. My contribution to the healing of the earth. Beloved Mother Earth, of which I am a part. If I, my family, my relatives and ancestors have mistreated you with thoughts, words, deeds and actions from the beginning of our creation to today, I ask for your forgiveness. Let me cleanse and purify, release and free all memories, blocks, negative energies and vibrations, transform these undesirable energies into pure light and so be it. In conclusion, I say that this prayer is my door, my contribution, to your emotional health, which is the same as mine, so you are fine. As you heal, I tell you that I'm sorry for the painful memories I share with you. I ask you for forgiveness, and I join my path to yours for the cure. Thank you for being here for me. And I love you for being who you are.